up, guys? Eva Palacios here, CEO and founder of EmpowerYou Financial. And I'm super excited to tell you about the 2-day Master Your Finances Challenge that I am hosting. Now, I know many of you have already told yourself that you wanted more in 2024. But the real question is who's going to help you get there? If you're like many, you probably have already fallen off, gotten distracted, went sideways when it came to your finances. But I'm here to tell you that's okay. And I'm here to help you get back on track. I have over 25 plus years in the financial education space where I've helped thousands achieve different financial goals. And I'm here to help you do the same. So if you're someone who is struggling with getting out of debt because you have high interest rate credit cards, then you need to get registered. Or you might be somebody who is super frustrated because their credit scores have been sitting at a low number and you just don't know what to do with that. I mean, you've Googled and you've researched, you may have even worked with other services and your scores are still sitting at a low number. You need to get registered. But what if you're someone who is tired, sick and tired of robbing Peter to pay Paul, living paycheck to paycheck, and you're just looking for a way to just get your finances on track? Then you need to get registered. Now, this 2-day challenge is absolutely free of charge. All you gotta do is click the button to get started. But I highly recommend that you invest in yourself and you upgrade to the VIP position. Because with VIP, you get 1 hour exclusive with me, Q&A style. So once the challenge is complete, you've got questions, I can help you with answers. You will also get the EmpowerYou Financial Planner, which comes with the 6 weeks Money Monday online course, teaching you about all things money, credit, and finance. And lastly, you will have access to these replays for up to 60 days. So, what do you say? Let's go ahead and click the register button, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.